I rang up the telephone company. I said, I want to report a nuisance caller. He said, not you again. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is Skindred, a band I have heard of for a very long time. Heard of them lots. Never heard anything by them. It's just one of those things, isn't it? There's some bands, you know the name, but you've never really heard of it. So, Kevin Sorby asked me for a Skindred song. He asked me for a song called Nobody. However, I went to check the copyright rules around the song Nobody by Skindred, and my findings were inconclusive. I couldn't really find whether you were allowed to use it or not, but things that I read suggested it was not available for use. So I've changed the song to a song called Under Attack. This is a much more up-to-date song. I don't know if I haven't heard it, and I haven't heard Nobody, so I don't know whether, you know, he recommended me a song that was quite an old song called Nobody, but I don't think I can use it, so I don't really want to take the chance. So I don't know whether that's like their best song ever, and this more up-to-date song, because this is 2 years old, just over 2 years old, 2.5 years old. So I don't know whether they, you know, am I going to get comments saying, yeah, they're not any good anymore, or what? I just don't know. So, Skindred band, they're English, I think, but I don't know anything about them. Sorry. And it's just a name, but I've always heard that name. I've always heard it in the press and everything, and for some reason never checked them out. So when I got a request, I thought, yeah, let's go and see what it's about. So yeah, this video is from September 2015. I believe this album volume came out in October 2015. And here's a song from it, and there's not much more I can say at this point, other than let's go.
So and do sound goes for high, goes for high, goes for high, and do sound goes for high, goes for high. No, if you really want war, you got to be sick. All of the people them need to hear this. From the sound of the rhythm, you can't refuse it. Shocking, dropping, runs and killing. Graduation, that's what we want. Fuck the nation, that's not the answer. They coming at you with shots in the dark, and the shots them I give you, I go rip out your heart. Who's gonna help them? Oh, take care of all of them. Who's gonna help them? Oh, take care of all of them. And now we realize you can't cut me down to size. And now we realize we're under attack.
I defy you to sit still listening to this.
We are gonna stack them 5, 7 and 8. No matter with the banners, man, we don't appreciate. We are gonna mock them 6, 7 and 9. Put them on the hit list every time. Life's at stake and everyone's shaking. Dance all breaking, everyone flaking. Going down now, it's going down now. It's going down, 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 down. Who's gonna help them? Oh, take care of all of them. Who's gonna help them? Oh, take care of all of them. And now we realize you can't cut me down to size. And now we realize we're under attack. We don't want no war. I believe we're all under attack. I believe we're all under attack. I believe we're all under attack. All under attack. All under attack. I believe we're all under attack. I believe we're all under attack. I believe we're all under attack. All under attack. All under attack.
Play something else then. Wow, what a mix of what a mix of, I don't know, cultures, genres. Are they English? I think they're English. Let me know if I'm right or wrong there. Yeah, you've got like his Jamaican accent, and you've got the rap. But then you've got all of the heaviness and some fun. And I imagine at the end of a concert, the audience goes home as tired as the band, because you cannot sit still for that. That's got such a groove, hasn't it? You just, it's just relentless. That's good for having a good dance in your car, isn't it, when you're driving to work? I really liked it. Whether I would listen to a lot of it is a different question, but that's just personal choice about genres you like or genres you don't. It's just, I think it's something I would have to get used to, I think. But that's, again, I'm only talking about personal choice. As a mashup of things, it's great. It's just so, it just fits so well, doesn't it? That heavy riff and the heavy sound with the kind of dancey rap element. Skindred, yeah, it's just, maybe that's why I've never really listened to Skindred. Maybe in the past I've kind of picked up on it. Might not be for me, and I don't know if it is or not. Like I say, I think it's something I'd have to listen to a few different things to see if it was. Certainly I could listen to it sometimes, kind of thing. Yeah. But, you know, if you want to get groovy in your metal, these guys have kind of got that covered. So this album, Volume, came out end of 2015. I don't know if they've done one more recent. When I discovered I couldn't do the song Nobody, I had to go and find something else, and I think this was the newest song I could find. I think, because of the way these videos are put together, I didn't just find it 2 minutes ago. That's why I'm trying to think, was this the newest? I'm just wittering now. So yeah, there you go. Skindred, some rap, some metal, some heaviness, some fun, but definitely quality. After that, it's just personal preference, isn't it? What do you think? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.